Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have Because of You, the World is Beautiful. This is a pill box. So check this out here. I'll show you what we got here. This should be hopefully the twice a day version. It is black and brown colors, so I think you might have different choices of colors, but I'll show you what you got here. You got like a morning and a night one, right? So, you open it, press and turn. Oh, upside down. But there you go. So you can have like morning, all your different morning pills on here, and all your night pills on there. How cool is that? So you've got all your different places to put them, and the containers are big, so if you have some big ass pills or something like that, you can fit them in there, or vitamins or whatnot that you need to have. So you can just put them in here, and then you close it up, and it'll look nice on your countertop. So how cool is that? So a nice little pill box. So I actually will probably end up using it because I only take them once a day. I'll use a whole week and a second week, so I'll have 2 weeks worth in this little thing here. So pretty sweet, I like it. So I'm gonna say thumbs up.